It hasn't. So how long this testing process? It must have started, what, the late 60s?
Yeah, I think he designed the boat
Or late 50s?
in 1959 to 1960, and the device he used to test was pretty ingenious, in that it was a pivot arm, and the boats could rock like this, and he would get them both up to the same speed. Then he'd turn the motor off, and whichever boat went forward, he presumed was the faster boat. So not like a sophisticated test tank today, or any of the electronic modeling you can do, but for its time, it was certainly innovative.
And it worked, apparently. And Bob pointed out that test tank was Connor Creek right behind us here.
Right.
Wow. So he gets a design he likes. He thinks it's faster than all of the hot boats in Lake St. Clair, and he starts building. Now tell us about the building process.
Good. Well,
Where, when?
it was built at Grosse Pointe Park, and guy, Mr. DeVershi, who lived on Lake Point, had an exceptionally large garage, and they built the male mold and then laid the fiberglass over it. And that whole process took him a couple of years to build the mold and get the hull done, because he had a day job. So he would leave work at maybe 5 o'clock and head over to work on the boat, work till 10 o'clock, sometimes till 1 or 2 in the morning. And there was sort of a limit to what he was able to get done. And other than the part of laying up the boat itself, he did it himself. And towards the end of the project, I think he was worn out from building this boat for a couple of years and trying to run his business, and he was running out of money, and his good friend Carl Ness got involved. So Carl and his son Peter helped them finish the boat, and Carl owned a foundry, and Peter was in the engineering program at the University of Michigan, so they both brought some talent to the program as well.
Now, Bob, you guys remember